today I'm going to talk about the new Wet n Wild palettes. There's 4 new ones. I have them right here. I will show you. There is this one right here, which is called Cosmic Collision. I can't talk today. Cosmic Collision. And then there is this one right here. This one is called Stop Playing Safe. And this one right here, Glamour Squad. And then this one I personally thought was going to be my favorite, VI Purple. Okay, so I tried 2 of these palettes already. I tried the Stop Playing Safe and Cosmic Collision. This one I was like most excited about because of the colors in here. I really wanted to use the blue and the green together and then add the yellow. So I did do that, and let me start it with saying, if you're going to use this palette and you're going to use the blue, you need to start off by doing your eye makeup first and then your face makeup, because I did my face makeup first because that's just how I always do it. And that blue, let me tell you, it had, that kind of rhyme. Anyways, it had so much fallout. Yeah, fallout. It had so much fallout, okay? And I didn't even dig my brush in it, okay? I just did it gently because it's like a bright color. So even like, even though I didn't dig my brush in it, there still wasn't as much pigment that I wanted. And even tapped it off, there was still so much fallout. So I had to redo my makeup because I was like looking like a Smurf. Like, it was really bad, okay? But these are the colors I tried. Now I really did like this color. This was kind of like a purplish. Don't know my colors either. Bluish greenish color, and it was like kind of like metallic. Okay, so all of these were kind of like metallic-y colors, and they did live up to that. They were all really metallic, but you can do a lot of stuff with this palette. I just like, it's not my favorite palette like I thought it was gonna be. I was just like slightly disappointed with the pigment and the fallout, of course, because the other new palettes that they released, I had a lot of fun with. I really, really liked them. And I just think they were like trying to try something new, have more crazy colors, and they're still working on it. So we'll give them that for trying something different. This palette I did today. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow I'm wearing today. Okay, I did this color right here on my whole lid, and then I did this on the corner, like around here, okay? Then I did this black, okay? So those are the only 3 colors I did. I was disappointed because there was sparkles on top of this purple color, and so I thought it was gonna be like really glittery. So it was like they just put it on top, and then underneath was just like, now it's just metallic like the other ones. So yeah, that was a little bit disappointing for me. And then another thing about that purple is it was like more like a light black, okay? Like you can see in this palette that it is purple, okay? It looks light black, okay? See, it's right here, okay? This purple color right here, I mixed it with this silver looking purple right here, okay? And then when I put the black, like you can't even tell where I put the black. Yeah, so I'm going to try these colors again, but I mean, I guess I'm not really going to do any more reviews on this because I don't want to like, I don't know, unless you guys want, if you want more reviews on like how the other colors are and these other palettes, because I haven't even touched these 2 palettes yet, okay? So if you want to know what these palettes are like too, put it down below in the comments and just let me know, because like I don't want to bore you guys. But this one I was thinking I could do like kind of like a Valentine's-y look, so I might do that. But like I said, put it down in the comments. So this palette right here is still my favorite. I actually got this in one of my BoxyCharms. And this palette, wait until I open it if you've never seen it. Okay, ready? It is so pretty. Now I've heard that this palette has a lot of fallout too, but when I've used it, I haven't really had like any fallout at all. Like I have had fallout from the yellow a lot, but it's yellow, like it just brushes off your face, and so there's nothing really worry about that. So this I recommend. This is definitely my favorite palette. It's been my favorite palette for like the last 3 months or whatever. That's all I have to say about that. But yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. And as you notice, I'm going to be posting every Saturday. So be on the lookout for new videos every Saturday. Thanks for watching.